next is the Happy Skin X Marge brushes. So this is one of the brushes that I usually reach out for. What I love about this is that yung bristles niya is very dense, and even if nakailang wash na ako and nakailang gamit na rin ako, I don't really feel that tusok-tusok factor yet. So I bought this, I think, around August last year, 2024. So, up until now, meron siyang ibang flyaways na dun sa ibang bristles. For this brush, I don't know if you can see it, pero yun, meron na siyang mga flyaways sa side. So far, the bristles are still very soft on the face. My skin doesn't really get irritated with the bristles. Ang biggest con ko lang for this is yung component niya. Kasi since I think this is wood, I'm not really sure if may halong plastic, pero I don't know. I feel like this is wood kasi sobrang bilis niyang mag-crack. So, almost all my pieces have a either big or small crack dun sa component niya. Kita ko yung crack on the second wash pa lang. And I know a lot of people have also experienced this with these brushes. I hope that they can really improve yung component niya kasi I really love yung density ng brush. So last